The 2025 Honda Civic marks a significant evolution in Honda's compact car lineup, blending advanced technology, enhanced performance, and a refined design. Here's an overview of the key features. Hybrid powertrain. The 2025 Civic introduces a new hybrid powertrain, combining a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine with a 181-horsepower permanent magnet traction motor, delivering a total of 200 horsepower and 232 pound-feet of torque. This setup offers an impressive EPA-estimated fuel economy of 48 miles per gallon combined, positioning the Civic as a strong contender in the hybrid segment. Performance and handling designed for an engaging driving experience, the Civic features a sporty suspension system, including a McPherson strut front suspension and multi-link rear, ensuring responsive handling and a comfortable ride. The 200-horsepower hybrid powertrain contributes to swift acceleration, reaching 60 miles per hour in approximately 6.6 seconds. Interior and technology. The interior of the 2025 Civic boasts premium materials and a modern design. Standard features include a 7-inch digital instrument cluster and a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Sport Touring trim enhances the experience with a 12-speaker Bose audio system and a sophisticated Google built-in interface, offering seamless connectivity and voice-activated controls. Safety features. Honda continues its commitment to safety with the inclusion of the Honda Sensing Suite of driver assistance technologies. This system encompasses adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking, contributing to a safer driving experience. Trim levels and pricing. The 2025 Civic is available in several trims, including the Sport, Sport Touring, and the new Sport Hybrid. Pricing starts at $24,000 for the base model, with the Sport Touring Hybrid trim priced at $34,300. In summary, the 2025 Honda Civic offers a compelling package with its hybrid efficiency, dynamic performance, and advanced technology, solidifying its position as a top choice in the compact car segment.